Hi everyone and welcome to OCuSOFT. Today we'll be showing you how to use the OCuSOFT original pre-moistened pads. So if you have dry, scratchy, irritated eyes, the problem may not be your eyes but actually your eyelids. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and without further ado, let's get into how to use the OCuSOFT Lid Scrub original pre-moistened pads.
First, open the box and remove a sealed packet. Then, tear open the sealed packet from one of the indentions at the top of the packet. Once you remove the pad from the packet, unfold the lid scrub and wrap around your forefinger. Close one eye, then proceed to clean your eyelid with the pad using side-to-side motions. Once you are done with one eyelid, flip the pad to the other side and wrap it on your other forefinger. Then, close your other eyelid and repeat the steps using side-to-side motions to cleanse your other eyelid. After you complete this step, be sure to rinse your eyelids with water.